ready for fall? I think I am. Fall has always been one of my favorite seasons because I can pull out my silk, and I used to be able to pull out my sweaters, but I won't be doing that anymore because we now live in Florida, but I can still wear my silk. So today I wanted to share a few new silk pieces that I have, and today's video is in collaboration with Lily Silk. They are celebrating their 11th anniversary. Happy anniversary, Lily Silk. And they did send me a couple of items to share with you. I actually have the blouse that I'm wearing in a few colors. I have it in French blue, which is one of my most favorite colors. And this is the placket. So the buttons are hidden. I'm going to insert some pictures. I went outside with my trusty little iPhone. I have been experimenting with the camera, and I took some pictures. My plan was to do a couple of different outfits with this blouse, but it didn't work out because one, I had curly locks when I started out. It's about 93 degrees outside today, so I didn't want to sweat on my beautiful white silk, Lily Silk blouse. Okay, so I just thought I would go ahead and share a couple of things about the anniversary sale, and you'll notice that I have geared my makeup around fall. I love a bold lip, my friends, and yes, even at 62, I'll be 62 in November, we can wear a bold lip. We just have to really pick the right color for us. And so here I am with my bold lips, and I have a hack video coming. I don't actually have the look on today, but there's a hack video coming that I think many of you will really enjoy. So keep an eye out for that. But right now we're going to switch gears, and we are going to talk about Lily Silk's 11th anniversary celebration, and it does end August 31st. Today is Friday. I don't have my watch on, but it is before the 31st, so you still have a couple of days to head on over to the site. They have a lot of deals going on, and they also have some giveaways. You have to check daily until the 31st to, I guess, join up and see if you're a winner. All right, so I also wanted to mention that they have free shipping worldwide with your $50 purchase. They also have easy returns and exchanges within the 60 days of purchase. I do have a special code for you today that will allow you to get 15% off, and that is Tammy 15. So just head on over to the site, check out all the deals. What I'm showing you, these are part of the deals, but there are plenty more on their site. As mentioned, this is the basic concealed placket blouse. It can be worn tucked in, it can be worn loose. This blouse comes in 12 beautiful colors. And the feel of the silk is beautiful. It has a really nice weight to it. It has a nice flow to it. It's comfortable. I have several silk blouses because I do love them. I think they can be casual, and I think they can also be very dressy. So I really do love them, but these are beautiful. The feel of them, they just have a wonderful weight to them, beautiful flow, and they come in an assortment of styles. So if you don't like this style, you may be able to find others. They have short sleeve, they have tanks, they have pajamas, they have pillowcases, they have sheets, they have everything. So as mentioned, this one comes in 12 different colors. It buttons at the wrist, or I like to fold them up. It has a collar, and like I said, the buttons are hidden. You can button this all the way up, or you can show your cleavage. It's all up to you, my friends. I'm a little risque today because I wanted to show my Dean Davidson necklace as well. All right, is there a one size fits most classic wireless silk bra. This is so soft. It's like butter, my friends. It's like butter. It's very, very soft, has a lot of give to it. Very, very comfortable, has some padding in the front, not excessive padding, just enough to cover the nipplage. And it comes in 3 colors. This is the black. And the next dress I'm going to share with you is absolutely beautiful, but it was too small in my hips. I am a girl with a little extra cushion in the hip area, a little extra junk in my trunk. I'm working on it, but I've always been a little bit on the hippier side, so I've always run into this problem where I'm very normal everywhere else except for my hip and thighs. So this is a medium. If you are someone who is not hippie, the medium will be fine for you if that's the size you wear. But for me, I actually wanted the large, but I got the medium, and the large probably would have been a little bit too big on top for me. So if you are proportioned a little bit smaller on the bottom, the medium will be fine. It's gorgeous, and this is their elegant, alluring cowl neck silk dress. This is the navy. It's beautiful, has adjustable spaghetti straps, comes down a little bit lower in the back. It does come down about mid-calf. Again, I'm 5'7", has a little bit of a slit, but not a lot, so it's not super revealing if you're someone who would be uncomfortable with a slit. But it is very, very feminine, very, very pretty. It comes in 4 colors. And next up is a nightshirt that I actually did put on, and if the pictures are okay, I will share it with you on to see what it looks like. I don't stand up with it because it does come mid-thigh to me, and I'm not comfortable being on YouTube sharing all of that, all those parts of me, okay? So it is beautiful. It's very comfortable. The weight of this is unbelievable. It is a 22 mommy, and what that means is the weight and the quality of the silk. The higher the number, the better the silk. So this one is 22. You'll see a lot would be 19. 22 is a nicer weight. It's beautiful. Wonderful for just lounging around in if you're somebody who likes to just feel really good and have a moment. You know, I always say self-care, self-love. It doesn't necessarily mean just skincare and doing things. It can mean, you know, freeing your mind of clutter. It can mean just sitting around reading a book. It can really mean a lot of things. So this is absolutely beautiful. It is their classic silk nightshirt, and it has beautiful cuff sleeves, just a tiny slit on the side, and it comes in 13 beautiful colors. So head on over to the website, take a look at their anniversary sale. If you've ever wanted something in silk but you didn't really want to pay full price, now they have some beautiful, beautiful sales going on, my friends. All right, and that is it, my friends. A quick video for you. I am transitioning into fall. I'm going through my wardrobe, and one of my most favorite fabrics to wear during fall is silk. I absolutely love it. Again, I think it can be dressed up. I think it can be very casual. You can wear this blouse out flowing, or you can tuck it in. I'm not really the person that tucks things in. I don't really care for that look. I much prefer a loose flowy look on me. On some other people, it looks great. But for me, some things get tucked in and some things don't. And I do like jeans with a beautiful silk blouse. I just think it's beautiful. And then throw on some gorgeous Dean Davidson jewelry, and you're good to go, my friends. All right, thank you to Lily Silk for collaborating with me again on this. And don't forget, their sale is until August 31st. You can use my code Tammy15 to save yourself 15%. So hurry up, head on over, and get yourself something special, my friends. So that's it, my friends. Before you go, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you as an ageless beauty, and hit the bell. That'll notify you of all the videos that I'm putting up. Until the next time, my friends, you go out in the world and you be lovable. I love you all. Bisous.